Alright, welcome back to another market recap. In this video, we're going to be reviewing the market for today, September 24th, 2024, and today was great. Unlike yesterday, which was probably one of the worst days of the year, today was a fantastic day to trade. Now, I actually was feeling sick. I only live streamed for about 15 minutes before I just said I don't feel good. I hopped on the stream late, I got off the stream late. Just have not been feeling good today, but the way price has moved today has got me in a better mood, and I'm excited to record this market recap for you guys because it really goes to show that these markets provide so much opportunity. And let's get right into the video. So here we got tweets from Dodgy. He said, done before the day even started, good luck for the rest of the day. So I'll show you off that trade, I'll show off this trade from Hydra, and then I'll show off this trade, which was definitely the trade of the day. I end my live streams at 11, so even if I was trading, I would not have caught this trade. So it's making me consider maybe I need to do my streams until 12 o'clock, but that would mean that my streams would be going pretty late, and it'd be a lot harder for me to have time to film my videos. So I will for sure stream from every day from 8:30 until 11, but some days I might extend it to 12 if you have a day like this where we take previous days low, and I'll show that in a sec, and we come back up. If that happens, I might end up live streaming until 12 on some of those days, but at the minimum, I'm going to be trying to stream from 8:30 until 11. So let's get into it. So from the beginning of the day, now I was sick, so don't watch the stream of me talking because I really was tired and I was not able to analyze the market properly. But we had Asia from 20 until midnight, and looking back at this, it's very clear that this was a London reversal kind of day. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So, London reversal, remember, is when you have Asia forms a range, London manipulates, and New York continues. And there mean New York distributes the opposite direction, right? So you get this reversal in London, and then New York goes the opposite way. Here's that same thing, but for the bearish case, where you have Asia goes sideways, London goes up, and New York distributes down. So you had Asia go sideways. You had London here from 2 until 5. From 2 until 5. Here's London. So what does it look like is happening? We have accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. And what are we targeting? This is, if I zoom out, you can see that this was actually, in fact, our previous day's low. So the low from Monday overnight was the draw on liquidity. You can see that we came down to Monday's low and swept it almost perfectly. So this is why I'm saying, like, draws on liquidity like this, like previous day's lows, can be so significant. We targeted previous day's lows and we went there within just a few points, right? So draw on liquidity is so important. Previous day's low got hit, and then what happens, right? We get this triple sweep where we sweep sell side, we sweep sell side again, and the final manipulation is into this previous sweeping this previous day's low, at which point we come up and we inverse this 1 minute gap. This was that trade that Dodgy was talking about, where he says, if you did not take this, I'm sorry, but you're a donut. And I didn't take it because, honestly, I was sleeping because I was feeling like crap. I was sick. But if I was on the charts at this time, I would have taken this trade. This is a great trade. You get this 1 minute inverse after sweeping previous day's low, and then you have a pretty clear target to move your stop loss to break even. These equal highs here, or you could take all off there if you wanted to. So this is your stop loss to break even, and then you just let the rest run, and you had equal highs all the way up here. These the previous week's high, like I was telling you guys in my weekly outlook, I was saying previous week's high is the draw on liquidity, and look where we hit. Look where we hit. Previous week's high, straight up to previous week's high. So this is the trade of the day. I will do a trade recap on this trade, but wow, super good trade. Depending on where you had your stop loss, this could have been like a 5-to-1 risk to reward trade, but realistically put it here, and that's about a 3-to-1 risk to reward trade. But if you move your stop loss to break even here, it becomes relatively risk free. So super good trade. Like Dodgy said, if you didn't take this, you're a donut. I guess I'm a donut because I didn't take it. I was asleep, but I've not been feeling good today. So, but yeah, you had your classic London reversal kind of day, and then you had 11 a.m. as your key reversal time. So this happens a lot where you have 11 o'clock, you get this reversal. So since this is happening at 11 o'clock, this increases the probability of this trade so much because it's an 11 o'clock reversal, right? 11 o'clock reversal. Remember that. 11 o'clock reversal. And then, lastly, we'll go over the trade that Dodgy took in the morning. We had this gap inverse, I believe. I'm going to pull it up real quick. He said, done before the day even started. Good luck for the rest of the day. So, you just had clear liquidity here, right? Clear low resistance liquidity, and then you got this inverse, and you don't take out this internal high, so you're good. And you just go long here. And then take partials, obviously, but you could target this high. Target this high, take partials through here. But yeah, super good trade. Once again, I don't get on the market until, like, when I start live streaming, I start live streaming at 8:50. So I'm not even looking at the charts until 8:50, so I would not have caught this trade either. If I was doing my live streams properly, like I'm supposed to, I get on the charts at 8:50. I would not have gotten this trade because 8:50 he's here. This happened at 8:46. So possibly could consider starting my live streams at 8:30, but I think most of the time 8:50 is a fine time to start my live streams. So I'll be starting my live streams at 8:50. But you can see how drawn liquidity is so key, right? We went to previous day's low, and then we went straight to previous week's high. Straight from previous day's low to previous week's high. Perfectly. This is why draw on liquidity is key. It tells you where the market wants to go. So, I think that about wraps it up. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely consider leaving a like, subscribing, and also joining my Discord, which is completely free, where you can meet people, like-minded people who like trading. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.